This is the final video to solve the unable to activate Windows error 0xc0ea000a. Are you also facing this problem where Windows refuses to activate, even though your key is valid, and it keeps showing this strange error code? I know how confusing it is, because Windows doesn't explain what's actually blocking activation. The real reason this error happens is simple. Your activation servers can't be reached, your digital license is out of sync, your system files are corrupted, or Windows thinks your device ID doesn't match your license. Most YouTube and Facebook fixes are long and complicated, but the real solution is much easier. When I faced this problem, nothing online worked. But I finally fixed it with a few simple tricks, and I'm going to share them with you now from my own experience here on 0xc0ea. First, run the activation troubleshooter. This refreshes your digital license and fixes most sync issues automatically. Second, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account so Windows can reload your activation entitlement. Third, reset the Windows activation files by running a simple system repair. Corrupted system files are one of the biggest causes of 0xc0ea000a. Fourth, fix your date, time, and region settings. Wrong system time makes activation servers reject the request instantly. And finally, check your network or switch to a faster DNS because blocked Microsoft servers cause this